Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. So this video is entitled How to Set Up a MetaTrader 4 Account Part 3. So of course there's a Part 1, Part 2. This is Part 3. So we've got this far as in opening up our MetaTrader 4 account. Okay, so this is a demo account. So you're going to show you what to do. Now, we can come back to this another day, but for now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at how to set up various charts. So I don't want to use this chart. So what should I do? What do you think I should do? I think for now, I'll minimize it. Minimize that. Minimize that. Minimize that. Minimize that. Okay? Minimize. Okay. So over here, watch this. I can pull this over and I can now see I have my account, my FXCM MT4 or FXCM MetaTrader 4 account. It's a demo account and it's in pounds sterling. And this is the number of the account. Remember, you should have saved your password as well. This is the name I put in. You can put in your name or any other name. And these are things which are going to be filled, actually, expert advisors, where we're going to be putting in all the necessary information. Okay, so once again, you want to ensure you have a connection. This shows you have a connection. Of course, if there's no connection, it will say no connection, as in the very first video. Okay, so you can flash back to the first video and then to this video. And now what we want to do is we want to, let's close this down for now. We're going to look at all the markets which are in here. So all the markets, these are all the markets that you can trade. Now you can especially trade all these markets when using the TenKei TPT, or the total profit target. Okay. Now what we want to do, we've already got these markets down here: the euro dollar, dollar Swiss franc, cable dollar, dollar yen. But what we want is, for this object of this exercise is to show you how to choose another chart, for instance, and we're going to choose GER30. As you can see, it says here the DAX 30. It's a German market. So right click on that and then now click on charts window. As you can see, there's a drop down window. Yeah. So open that, and we want two of those. So we go again. There. In actual fact, you know what I'm going to do for you? I'm going to show you, so we can take this, because I know what steps we want to go into in the future series. We're going to open up the US dollar, no sorry, not US dollar, the Dow chart window, and we want to find the FTSE. So here it is, the FTSE, right here. Chart window, open, there we are. Now, what you must do, you must absolutely do here is, once you've got all or received or obtained all the windows you need, you want to get rid of all these, because we find that when you're using the EA, especially the EA, sometimes what you'll find is you'll come to your EA, you'll start it up, or if you have VPS where it's running 24 hours a day anyway, you'll find that nothing's working. It just hasn't switched on. It's because of this. All these running markets affect what's going on here, especially when you have a program running. So what you need to do here is to get rid of these, right click, scroll down to hide all, click on hide all, and you're hidden all except for the actual markets we have open at the moment. Once again, if you want to get every market back again to see or find some new markets, you can go on show all, click on show all. It shows everything for you. Okay, all this. Some people have asked, can they trade Bitcoin? I believe Bitcoin's in here. You can use that primarily with the TenKei TPT. You've got oil, you've got all the commodities, everything you need, and various markets, etc. So as long as you have an MT4 account, you are safe to use what we use. Okay, so once again, we don't want this, so we're going to right click and click on hide all. That's it. So that's what we're going to do for now, and we'll come back with the next video, which will be part 4. Thank you.